make silly putty. First step is pouring all of your Elmer's glue into a bowl. So you're going to unscrew the cap and then pour. Make sure you squeeze really good. Okay, so we fill our Elmer's glue with warm water just from the tap. And you put the cap back on and you're going to shake it for 6 Mississippi seconds. If you don't have food coloring, that's okay. It's optional. And we're only going to add about 3 drops. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so in our second bowl, mixing bowl, we're going to pour 1/2 cup of warm water into the bowl. And then next we're going to add our borax, which is our cleaning supply. So if you're under the age of 10, make sure to get help from your parents. So after stirring it for a while, it gets all goopy, kind of like this, and it's very sticky. I'm about 3/4 of the way done with my borax solution. And that's when I'm going to put the spoon away. I'm going to knead it with my hands. So I added all the borax, all gone. And I'm just kneading the dough, the silly putty, with my hands. The longer you knead it, the more the consistency you're going to want it. So right now it's pretty like gooey. It's kind of slimy. And I'm just going to roll it to see if it makes a ball.